Global Leader Training Center. Have you ever saw these kinds of YouTube shorts? These YouTube shorts can get 1 million views and let you earn thousands of money. Nowadays, you can generate this video in just few clicks. In this video, we're going to learn how to create this video in just few clicks using Adobe Express, 11 Labs, CapCut, and we're going to upload it in our YouTube channel. Just simply go to express.adobe.com and then just simply press this plus icon. And then go to Quick Actions and choose Video. And here you'll see something called Animate Characters. Just simply press on it, and then there will be a lot of characters you can see. Choose the character you like. I use this sticky. Okay, and then you can also choose the background. Choose the background you like. I like this background. And then just simply go back and choose the size. In here you can see the aspect ratio of Instagram, Facebook, X, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, and you can even customize it. I want it as YouTube Shorts, so I will choose YouTube. I'll use short, and then this will be the size. To resize the character, just simply click on it and drag the edge to resize the image. I think this size is enough. I just want to change the background. This one looks nice. And now we're going to go to 11 Labs. Just simply search for 11labs.io and you'll be taken here. And then simply press go to app, sign in with your account, and then you just have to type the text you want to make it as speech. But as I explained before, we're going to make a fun shorts like others did. So we're going to use ChatGPT. We're going to ask ChatGPT to create fun script of 2-character talking. There should be fun jokes related to the topic. YouTube Shorts style. And then I will say topic is going to field trip, and then it will directly make a short script of 2-person talking. I think this is too long for the shorts, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT, it's too long, make dialogue shorter and funnier. Okay, and then we're going to copy this and then go to AI Voice 11 Labs, paste it, and then we're going to choose the voice we want. As this one is Alex, is name of man or boy.
The thing always happens that you really let her go now. That'll be the end of
Just trust yourself.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
I think Liam is the best, and just simply press generate speech.
Field trip tomorrow, no math.
Let me add 1 exclamation mark.
Field trip tomorrow, no math.
I'll just simply press on this downloadation button to download it. And then I'll also do this to rest of the speech. I'll do all with the Alex.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
And then I'm going to continue with Jamie, but I want Jamie as a girl this time. So maybe this river.
Nature is a mutable cloud which is always and never the same.
Our distrust is very expensive.
I like this one. Copy the prompt text.
Yup, just us, nature, and wild chickens.
And then I'm going back to this Adobe Express, and here you can record your character's dialogue or just press browse. I'm going to use this for Liam, Alex, and when it's finished generating, you can just simply press on this play icon to preview it.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
And you can drag the corner of these bars to trim the edge parts or trim the video. And if you like it, you can just simply press download. You can also just press this rate us button to rate the action, to rate this Adobe Express. I'll just download it. And then you have to do all the same thing to rest of them. I'll continue. And then I'll create the next character. Going to video again, animate characters, and then maybe this time I want to use ZB. We're going to scale her a little bit up and bring her down here. And then we're going to bring the sounds we created. And as all our audios and videos have been generated, we're going to CapCut. Simply search CapCut and press CapCut Desktop. And then just download. And you'll be able to download CapCut if you're not installed. But I'm sure that you have CapCut installed on your computer. So let's open CapCut. And then simply just press new project. And let us bring our videos. Press this import button to import the videos, or just simply select the videos from your files tab and drag and drop. And I'm going to bring this here again. And here we go. And we just have to order this samely as the script ChatGPT gave us.
Deal. But if we run out, we'll ask the...
This one is the last one.
Oh no. Why did the chicken cross the road? Field trip tomorrow.
This one is the first.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
To escape Mr. Thompson's playlist. Yup, just us, nature,
And this one.
and wild chickens. Wild chickens. To escape Mr.
And next one is
Oh no. Why did the chicken...
this one.
Thompson's playlist.
And then it is EIEI oh no.
Oh no. Field trip tomorrow. No math.
Here's your snack.
Tomorrow.
Here's your snack. Cluck, here's your snack.
Tomorrow.
Trade bait for your cookies.
And I will just bring the next one here. And then I'll bring it here inside again after this.
Oh no.
Chips, cookies, broccoli.
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 Field trip tomorrow.
I did the same one, so I'll delete this.
Okay, need... Broccoli. You okay? Need help?
Cluck, here's your snack.
Tomorrow's gonna be cluckin' awesome. Deal.
It's trade bait.
You okay? Need help?
It's trade bait for your cookies.
Deal. But if we run out, we'll ask the chickens.
Cluck, here's your snack.
Tomorrow's gonna be clucking awesome.
Okay, like this, I like it. And if you want to create this as a YouTube short style, we need to add a subtitle. I'm just going to click on text, and let's see some text. I think this one looks good, so I'll just bring this down,
Field trip.
and I'll copy the prompt text. Like this.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
I think the color is a little bad, so I'm just going to change the color style. This one looks the best. I'm going to increase the stroke a little bit. And then I'll just trim this, press Alt and duplicate this. Paste.
No math.
Yep, just us, nature, and wild chickens.
Again, we're going to duplicate it, pressing Alt, trim it, copy,
Why?
and paste. Duplicate, trim, copy, paste. Going to resize a little bit. Duplicate, trim. Going to copy this again.
Thompson's playlist.
E-I-E-I-O, no.
Copy. Going to resize it a little. This one too.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
Yep, just us, nature, and wild chickens.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To escape Mr. Thompson's playlist.
E-I-E-I-O, no.
Chips, cookies, broccoli.
Copy.
Broccoli. Gonna be cluck. Okay, need help?
Trim it again.
For your cookies.
Copy again.
Deal.
Resize.
Deal. But if we run out, we'll ask the chickens.
Trim it again. Copy.
Cluck, here's your snack.
Awesome.
Here's your snack.
And this, I will just paste it for last time. Okay, let's see from the beginning. Let's check out.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
Yep, just us, nature, and wild chickens.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To escape Mr. Thompson's playlist.
E-I-E-I-O, no.
Chips, cookies, broccoli.
Broccoli. You okay? Need help?
It's trade bait for your cookies.
Deal. But if we run out, we'll ask the chickens.
Cluck, here's your snack.
Tomorrow's gonna be clucking awesome.
Okay, I like this. And if you want to export this, simply press on this export button. Name it. You can choose the video resolution. I'm just going to keep these settings and just press export.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
Yep, just us.
Press open folder to check the exported one. Both MP3 and MP4 file has been exported, and let's go to YouTube ourselves. And with your desired YouTube account, simply press on this create button. Press upload video. Press select files, or you can just upload by dragging and drop it. Once you have uploaded, you can add the description, AI generated YouTube Shorts. And then you can select the playlist, and you have to select between it's made for kids or not. I'm just going to use it not for kids. Press show more, and you just have to add hashtag such as AI, fun, energetic, chat, and then like video, field trip, school, chicken. Then scroll down a little bit again, and you can choose the category such as maybe this one is film and animation, and press next. You can add related video or add subtitles, but we don't need it, so we'll just press next. Next. Visibility, if you choose public, it'll show directly to everyone. If you choose unlisted, only people with the link you shared can watch the video. Private, for only you, nobody else can watch it. Press public and press publish. Let's click the video link to watch.
Field trip tomorrow. No math.
Yep, just us, nature, and wild chickens.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To escape Mr. Thompson's playlist.
E-I-E-I-O, no.
Chips, cookies, broccoli.
Broccoli. You okay? Need help?
It's trade bait for your cookies.
Deal. But if we run out, we'll ask the chickens.
Cluck, here's your snack.
Tomorrow's gonna be clucking awesome.
And let's try the next one.
In this image, we have different people, but I want to remove them. Hello creators, welcome back. Today we will discuss about new Adobe Photoshop updates to boost your editing. So without wasting time, let's get started. Remove people. Find distraction. This feature helps you remove unwanted people or distractions from your photos using AI. It's useful for cleaning up crowded or messy images. So, to remove the people from the image, let's select the Remove tool. Here you can see the new option, Find Distraction. If we click then, we have two options, wires and cables, and people. So, in our case, we have to remove the people. We will select People option. We have different mode here to use. Here, we can see different mode. Auto may use generative AI on, and generative AI off. So, if you want AI to do this task, then select generative AI on. Then click this tick button, and it will remove it. The AI will automatically find the distracting element and remove it, filling the space naturally. It is very accurate and smooth. I'm satisfied with this. Let's import other picture and repeat the same process. So, here you can see, generative AI is on, but it didn't remove it at once, but it is quite good. Now repeat the process again to remove these two AI-generated people. The selection is not perfect, so let's select this area as well. Now let's click this tick button. By the way, it did a good job. Let's try another picture, which is a bit more hard. Let's import. Let's repeat the process again. The AI is not selecting the people, but let's select it manually. Here you can see the brush size. Click here and take this to right side. Let's select the area which we want to remove. If you want to erase the selection, so on your keyboard press Alt and use C. It is the plus sign is change into minus. Let's click this tick button. So the results are not good. I hope Adobe will work on it and make it more better. Removing wires with AI. This feature makes removing power lines or wires from your photos easier. It's great for making outdoor images look clean and professional. Import the photo with wires. Choose the Remove tool to select the wires. By the way, the process is same. We used to remove the people. Simply select the wires and cables instead of people, and you are done. Let's see the result. It is quite good. Let's try with other image. It is bit hard to remove the messed wire picture, but let's see what come up. So, the process is same. We used to remove the people. Results are beyond my expectations. Great. Let's try the last image, which is more hard for Adobe. Let's try it. Mind-blowing. Here it is. Bit changed, but it is good. Generate background. Why to use? This feature creates a completely new background for your image using AI. It's great when you need a fresh background without changing the subject. We have this image. First, let's remove the background. Just click here, and here we have option to generate background. Click and just write some keywords. Let's say cloud and clear crystal water. So you can see we have 3 variations. Select the variation which fits best for you. But if you are not satisfied and let's regenerate, I want to regenerate the image like this. So here in Properties panel, click the same image, and here 3 dots click and you see Generate Similar option. Click. You see it is generating similar image like this. Boom. Here you see. You can see these are perfect. Let's try one more image. Repeat the same process. Let's type in prompt Forest City. Okay, it's done. You can see these are perfect. Okay, let's type something else, like sunset. So, the results are quite good. But what is this icon here? If you click this icon, it will enhance the image. It will not enhance too much. It make it bit more clear. Select the background area you want to replace. Type what kind of background you want, e.g., sunset city, forest, etc. in the text prompt. Photoshop will automatically generate the background according to your request. Generative images using Adobe Firefly. This feature will generate image in the Photoshop. Click Edit and Generative Workspace. Here, we have a new panel. Here we can write the prompt and select the mode of generation. Fast or slow. I will use fast, and I'll paste the prompt here. We have several options. The aspect ratio, we can select the image size. Let's say 16 by 9. Then the reference option. If you want to create the image using other image, then you can upload the image. Effects is the coolest feature because it provides many style. You can see. Let's try this effect. Then click Generate. Here you see we can generate multiple images without waiting. Here, the images were generated. You can see these are perfect. You can see here. Down here, you can see one more option variable. We can create different place, animal, insect, or thing. It's up to you. How to use variables. So you add 2 brackets like this. Let's type some variations. Here I have added different variable. Let's click Generate. So it create different image. Amazing. How to use this image? Let's say I want this image. Here you can see this 3 dots. Click and you can click this download button. Second way, this open button here. It will directly open it in Photoshop panel. Generate similar. Select the quick selection tool and let's select the without any effort. Let's import the similar image. Click this icon and choose the image. After choosing, hit Generate. Wow, it looks like natural. Amazing. Let's try with prompt. Shimmering, diamond fragments, sleek design. Hit Generate. Wow, it is amazing. You can see the dress is very realistic and well designed. So welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the Adobe Illustrator new features. Let's dive in. Shape a long path. Why to use. This feature allows you to place shapes or objects along a curved path, perfect for creating patterns or designs that follow a specific line or shape. How to use. As you can see, we have some pictures here. Let's draw a circle and increase the stroke and color to no fill. Once ready, then resize and adjust the shape. If I want these all pictures to work on the path of the circle, I'll do like this. One by one each shape. Right, but this update made it more easier, so let me undo this by clicking Ctrl-Z. Let's see the easiest way to do this. So here you can see this new icon, which is Object on Path. So select the pictures or objects and the shape or path, then select the shape path and click the path or shape. So you can see objects are on the path instantly, only in one click. So, what if you want to change the position of the objects? If you will select the object, then you will see the dot in the center of the object. Click on the dot and drag it where you want to reposition it. But what if you want to move all the position at once? Here you can see this icon. Let's select and move it to left side. So the objects are moving easily. And the quick tip to rotate the object by clicking this icon bottom down. It is an awesome feature. Expand artboard and artwork together. This feature allows you to expand both the artboard and the artwork at the same time. It's helpful when you need more space for your design, but don't want to lose the proportion or alignment of your artwork. How to use. Select the artboard using the Artboard tool, or press Shift+O. Let's scale up the artboard and artwork. So you can see it only scaled the artboard, but not the artwork. So let me undo it by clicking Ctrl-Z. To scale artboard with artwork, you can see here the new icon, and I'm going to expand it again. Now, when you resize the artboard, your artwork will scale with it automatically. keeping everything in proportion. Create gradient color. This feature will allow you to generate gradient color with only by selecting the solid colors. How to use. To work on gradient color, you need two panels, swatch and gradient. So you can go to Windows and select the swatched and gradient. So you can select the color according to your requirements. Let's select gradient from Windows. So here we have our panel and the shape. So let's press Ctrl to select the multiple colors. And drag and drop into the gradients. It will bring these color and adjust them. If the colors are not showing in the shape, so select the shape and hit this gradient, so it will fill all the shapes. Image trace. So if you want to trace the image before, you have to go through from each part. But now, if you select the image, then in Properties panel, you can see the image trace option, and I will select high fidelity photo, and here you see it will do its best to trace the image. So it's done. We can adjust more, but clicking this to see more options and properties. So you can see the different options. Here, we have one gradient option. If you click on gradient and increase the smoothness, so the gradient color is a bit more smoother. So I will uncheck the gradient to see the difference of after and before. You can see. But you can do more. Here, you can click on Expand. So click on Gradient panel. If not showing, press Ctrl F9. And now you can adjust or rearrange the gradient color of this image. If I will double-click, so you can adjust the color freely. Generator AI. Why to use? This feature helps you generate design elements or entire illustrations using AI. You can input a description, and the AI will create vector art based on your instructions. How to use? So we have this shape. I'll turn off the fill color, so you can see this icon, click it. So I want to fill it, will flowers pattern, and let's go to effects. And I'll use this minimalism. I recommend you to try each effect one by one. Here we have color and tone. We also have color presets. I'll go with vibrant color. And here you can select the numbers of colors. I'll select 5 colors, and you can specify the colors. I'll click the plus and choose the colors. And I'll go with this 5 colors and then hit generate. And it is quite good, but not perfect as I thought. So you have to do several times to achieve the good result. Contextual taskbar. So we have this start image, and if we click on the object and shape, so we have this new icon, it will work with live shapes. So if we click on edit path, then we can customize the shape. You can change the position and bend and adjust it. I think you all know this. We have this one more option, live shape option. So with this handle, you can increase or decrease the spikes. And you can make it rounded by increase the number. You can also change the corner one by one if you uncheck this. So you can adjust the corner shape according to your requirement. It is very easy. Moreover, you can change the style of the corner. We have 3 styles. So these styles are common, but it's fine. You can see the shape style and adjust freely according to your need. So these are the features which we found only in Adobe Illustrator 2025.
And the next one we are going to learn is Nvdia Canvas. To get started, just simply search for Nvdia Canvas and click on the first one that appears. And then you can just simply press download beta. And then it'll take you down, and you just have to press it one more time. And it'll start downloading, and you just have to open this exe file. I've already downloaded it, so I will open in my computer. And this is Nvdia Canvas. When you first start, it'll ask you for the file. I'm just going to start with standard. There's also a checkbox called automatically use this selection at launch. If you want this new file to always start with standard, you can just simply tick this, but I'm going to make it empty and press continue. And as we always did, we're going to start with interface. At the left, you can see few tools such as drawing tool, erasing tool, and pen tools. And at above, you can see new file, full open, save, quit, and a lot of options that we can explore. And at the right, there's materials you can use, styles you can use, and layers. And at the middle, at the center, there's two images. This is your canvas, and this is AI generated part. And we are going to start by choosing styles. You can choose which style of the image you want to generate. You can generate anything you want. I like this one. This one is pretty cool. And then, in materials, when you hover over any selection, you can see its name: sky, cloud, hill, and a lot of them. I'm just simply going to start by selecting these hills. And then you'll see that this has been changed. And then you can choose brush tool and simply brush to paint it. And you'll see that the outline of the hill appeared. When you fill this in, it gets more clear. But you might think, oh, this is so small, I want the brush to be larger. You can simply increase this bar to get a larger cursor. Like this, I fulfilled it, and you'll see that there's a hill. Let me see more clear like this. And then we're going to press add layer to add a new layer different from this hill. And this time we will choose this straw. And we're going to put straw a little here, little here, little here. And you'll see that the amount of straw is increasing. I like it. And let me add some stone beside here. Before that, let me create a new layer and add stones. Add new layer because it'll be different stone this time. Like this. And then I want some flower. Then you can just simply press this, bring the flower in. And then I want to create a snow. And I want the snow to be in a straight line. You can just simply press on this line and drag this. And you'll see that the line appears and there's a snow. And if you want little fog, you can also do it like this. Maybe I'll give few layer and maybe I'll just add a new layer. Little fog. Okay, like this. This looks pretty cool. And if you want to add a sea or lake, river, you can also use this feature. Straight line. Okay, this looks pretty cool. And you can also adjust the order of layer to change the view. Like this changes as you change the order. And the next is erase tool, and you can press on this to erase the particular thing you made. I'll erase this flower again, but make sure that your layer is selected. There's also paint bucket, fill tool, and you can press on it and choose any paint you want, like sand this time, and press on the layer and paint the bucket. Like this, it will color it into a sand, it will change into a sand. I think it can go a little down. And I want to delete this snow by pressing this delete button beside it. It will say delete layer, press yes, and here we go. I like it. And let me try this variation. You can drag the variation to change the look of it. You'll see changes as you increase and decrease. I like this one. And if you want to create a new style, you can just simply press a new style and you can browse the image file. I'll use my image I've downloaded, press add image, and it'll directly add a new image. You can press on it to copy the style. Maybe I want to delete this hill a little bit because it's too tall, I guess. I want to delete this river too. Maybe I will just delete it like this. And folks too. Okay, I like it. And then I will press on this and add more flowers. And maybe straws. Like this. And let me add a tree forest, like almost here. Like this. A little bit of grass. Maybe let's create a large part of here. Down. Okay, I like it. It's pretty nice. And I want a few clouds, so I will use clouds and generate a little cloud here. Like this. And there's also bush. Dirt. Gravel. Above it. Like this. And I think this is so good. And in this case, you can save it in the file you want. I will just save it as bg1 background 1, and that is all. And you can use this to create your own background, computer background, or environment for your YouTube channel like that. You can use this AI feature Nvdia because it's really good and it's free, absolutely free. So try it out and we'll see in the next class. Thank you.